Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Stripe to Shopify. So I'm here in my Shopify page right now, and basically the way we are going to do this one is we're just going to go ahead and click the settings here below. After clicking on the settings, we're going to go ahead and click payments. And here in the payments, you have here payment providers. We're going to go ahead and choose a provider. Now from this point forward, you have here the search bar at the top, so just go ahead and type here Stripe, and there you go. So it says it's unavailable in my country, unfortunately, but if it is available in yours, then you're just going to go ahead and click this one here, and then you will be redirected to Stripe. So as you can see here, connect.stripe.com. So you're going to go ahead and type your email here and continue with the prompt, and after that you should be able to add Stripe to your Shopify account. And yep, that is how you're going to do it. It's basically very simple. Try it out, everybody. Congratulations, now you know how to add Stripe to Shopify.